This is the Avantree Relay, a Bluetooth adapter that allows you to connect up to 2 pairs of wireless headphones to an airplane entertainment system at a low latency. In this video, we'll cover the following. On the left of the relay are the power switch and volume adjustment buttons. On the front, there are LED indicators that let you monitor your connection and battery statuses. There's also the multifunctional button that you can use for pairing, reconnecting, and checking the relay's battery level. Lastly, this right here is the charging port. First, turn your smartphone's Bluetooth off. This will help your headphones connect to the relay without interference. Then, slide the relay's power switch to the on position. For first-time use, the relay will enter pairing mode automatically. For any subsequent pairing, press and hold the relay's multifunctional button until the LED flashes red and blue. Once the relay is in pairing mode, you'll need to place your headphones or earbuds into pairing mode as well. If you have AirPods, you can do this by placing both AirPods into their case, opening the lid, then pressing and holding the button on the back of the case until the LED indicator flashes white. Once both the relay and your headphones are in pairing mode, keep them close together for a few seconds. Once connected, this LED indicator will turn solid blue. If you're using headphones or something other than AirPods, the process will differ slightly depending on the brand, but generally you can put them into pairing mode by turning them on, then pressing and holding the power button until the LED starts flashing red and blue alternately. If you're not sure how to put your headphones into pairing mode, please consult your device's user manual. Once connected, this LED indicator will turn solid blue. Now that everything is connected, plug the relay into an in-flight entertainment system or any other audio source that has a 3.5mm aux output jack and enjoy the wireless audio. You can connect and listen through up to 2 pairs of headphones if desired. First, after successfully connecting your first pair of headphones, place the relay in pairing mode once more by pressing and holding the multifunctional button until the LED flashes red and blue. Next, put your second pair of headphones into pairing mode. Keep the relay and your second device close together for a few seconds until they connect. Once connected, both LED indicators here will turn solid blue. You typically won't need to repair your headphones with the relay every time, since once they're successfully paired, they should automatically reconnect when both devices are turned on. If they don't automatically reconnect after a few seconds though, you can press the relay's multifunctional button once to manually initiate the reconnection process. For automatic reconnections, make sure your headphones are not already connected to another device. You can turn Bluetooth off on any previously connected devices, disconnect the headphones from the device, or move out of range from the device. If you're not hearing any sound through your AirPods or AirPods Pro, try putting the AirPods back into their charging case for a few seconds, then taking them out again. If you still don't hear sound, try turning the relay off, then on again. This should restore the audio. If you ever need assistance with your relay, please reach out to us at support@avantree.com or on support.avantree.com. If you found this video helpful, consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and clicking on the bell to stay notified of our new product launches. Thanks for watching.